I asked for strength, and God gave me difficulties to make me strong. I asked for wisdom, and God gave me problems to solve. I asked for courage, and God gave me dangers to overcome.
What's the matter with you? There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
If you want to be great, you want to be the baddest motherfucker ever at what you do, you can be misunderstood by everybody.
Vision, write this point down, is most valuable. Vision is more valuable than money, because without that vision for the money, for the business, it will perish.
Expand yourself. Take yourself out your comfort zone. If you stay in your comfort zone, that's where you will fail. Success is not a comfortable procedure. So you got to get comfortable being uncomfortable if you ever want to be successful.
If y'all gonna be great on that field, you gotta have a why. You gotta have a reason for why you do what you do. The problem with some of y'all, the reason why you don't give 120% every doggone time you get on the field, because you ain't got a why for what you do. You ain't got a why.
It's not the complexity triggering individuals or events you should fear the most, but it's your own willingness to accept or seek discomfort that will dictate the growth of not just you, but our entire world.